So for my project, I added a couple of GIFs. Um, so my topic, which I chose, was marine biology. Due to this, a lot of my GIFs, which I incorporated, they're related to the ocean and sea life. So for my table of content, I'm going to show how I added in GIFs as a background. So pretty much right now, it's just a plain blue background. From here, you want to go to background. And then here, I just chose image. Up here, you would have 5 options. You want it to be on upload, and then this blue button says browse, you want to click that. So prior to this, you should already have your GIFs downloaded. Here, I'm just going to choose this GIF. And then on the bottom right hand corner, you have an open button, and you want to click that. So after this loads, you should have now your GIF as your background. Here, I just use a seal because it corresponds to my topic, but you guys can choose whichever other GIF you like. Here's just another example of me using my GIF. I used a turtle in this example, and I use the same steps as before.
Amazing. Thank you very much for that, Shalena.
No problem.
Okay, so